Hey, aspiring real estate professionals, Matthew here from Be Great in Real Estate. Let's dive into what sets apart thriving agents in a fast-paced market. So it all starts with a commitment to full-time dedication. The transition from a part-time to a full-time agent is a leap that demands courage and conviction. It's not easy. So what's the cornerstone of this transformation? Is perfecting your lead conversion. It's not just about the leads you have, it's about how effectively you can turn those leads into clients. And that requires skill and strategy. Imagine picking up the phone, not with trepidation, but the assurance that you have the tools and the scripts to guide you. It's about building rapport, instilling trust, and exuding confidence with every call you make. This is where growth happens. You need to shift your mindset from making a sale to making a connection. You don't just meet your targets, you surpass them. Arm yourself with knowledge, embrace the process, and remember every call is a step to success. Join us at Be Great in Real Estate and let's transform your potential in real estate success together. Keep dialing, keep connecting, and keep excelling. Believe in yourself and we'll be great in real estate together.